Hey guys, what's up? It's Sabbir here, and it's been a quite while that I have been making some new videos. And recently, I thought that I will make videos, but I just don't get enough time. And every time I feel like I will make video, and some other tasks come into my come and just I can't make any new videos. And I was not. Well, I'm free now, and I think, and I was really bored, but I wasn't doing anything. So I just thought that just let me share some knowledge with you, and that will make me feel better, and it will also help you. So today I'm gonna discuss about integration, and I'll show you a formula. I will show you a form. Using that form, you can integrate any integration. You can integrate any quadratic equation. So basically, this class is about the integration of the quadratic equations. So let's get started. So suppose that for any quadratic equation, for if there is any quadratic equation, x squared plus bx plus c, okay, just suppose here is given integration of x squared plus dx. So we'll put this under this formula, that x plus b by twice a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by twice a, and here is a root whole square, and there you go with the root dx integration, and 1 by root a, of course. So if you convert this thing into this thing, then we can clearly see that it goes under a formula. That's what's the formula is x plus and the formula is that integration of x square plus a square, right? And for this x square plus a square, we can write what? X root over x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine h inverse x by a plus c. So for any case, for any quadratic equation which is under a root, so we can convert it like this, and just we can apply the formula of x square plus a square. And in case that, and this will be applicable only when b square is less than 4ac. This b square, if it's less than 4ac, then we can use this thing, this formula here. But if b square is greater than 4ac for a quadratic equation, then what can we do? And for a quadratic equation, suppose x squared plus bx plus c, and for here that is suppose here where b square is greater than 4ac. For this case, everything will be same, but there will be a sign change only. That is twice a whole square minus b square minus 4ac root over by twice a and whole square. Just, and what this form comes under the formula, it comes under the formula of integration of root over x square minus a square and dx, of course, dx here, of course. And that means that it means x root over x square minus a square by 2, x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. Understand? I hope you understand it now. So this, now suppose, wait, well, now suppose it's not like that, and it's 1 by root over x square plus bx plus c. So what will you do? You will apply the same procedure here, that is when b square is less than 4ac, then integration of 1 by root over x squared, that is x plus b by twice a plus 4ac minus b square by twice a, and there is a root here. That's what it is. So it forms under the formula root over x square plus a square, right? And what's the formula of x square plus a square root over? And we know that's ln x plus root over x square plus a square, or we can say that is sine plus c of, obviously you have to give a plus c sign, that's the constant. If you don't give the c, then there is a mistake on it, so we should give the c. So sine h inverse x by a, so we can write this as sine h inverse x by a. And in case b square greater than 4ac, then what will you do? In this case, what will you do is nothing, just sign change and nothing else. X b by twice a whole square minus b square by 4ac minus 4ac root over by twice a and whole square, and that's in that formula, under the formula ln, that is x. This will be the x here. That means you have to, so one thing is to be clear, that this whole things is taken to be x, and this whole thing is taken to be a. So if you put this formula, if you put this thing under the formula, then what we'll get here, that is x plus b by twice a plus root over x square minus a square. Or we can write, for this case, we can write cos h inverse x by m. That's what it is. For you, I'm writing the formulas, right here. This integration of dx by root over x square plus a square equals to ln x plus root over x square plus a square. Or we can write that is plus c, of course, sine h inverse x by a plus c, and indicate for integration dx by root over x square minus a square. We can write here like x plus x minus here, sorry, x plus minus a square plus c cos h inverse x by a plus c. And for integration of root over x square plus a square, you can write x root over x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine h inverse x by a plus c. But if it is root over x square minus a square, then x square minus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 x square minus sorry, here minus, and here will be cos h inverse x by a plus c. Well, I hope that you did understood something, and so just take a screenshot of it, and I think that you got it what I was trying to say. Well, thank you.